This is Balwinder. In last video, we have take overview of the software. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to create department. First, you go to department. You can see here, you can select your parent department and ID is optional. You can give the new department name. Then add. Once you add, the department will visible in your system. If you want to edit the department, you can select the department, update. You can change the name or you can change the parent department, save. So system will automatically reflect to them. If you want to delete the department, just select the department. You can delete the department. If department is empty, no employee inside, yes, you can delete it. If department have employee inside, you can't delete that department. So this how you create and edit, update the department in CheckTime software. Thank you.